Every artist dreams of going viral on Spotify, but here's the truth. Virality is not an accident, it's engineered. Think about it, the biggest artists aren't just uploading songs and hoping for streams. They're using systems that guarantee attention. The good news is that you don't need a label, a promoter, or millions in marketing to play this game. You just need the right strategy. And that's why we'll be revealing in this video. I'm going to show you the exact method top artists and gurus are using right now to boost their streams, grow their fan base, and position themselves for playlist placements. If you're serious about turning your music into the next hit, let's dive in. First, go to the Naizop website using the link provided in the description. Sign up or log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you'll see your balance displayed at the top and several navigation tabs on the left side of the dashboard. In this video, we will be buying Spotify streams for this song. I checked the number of streams, and as you can see, it currently has 0 streams in total. Well, that's about to change. But first, before we proceed to placing any order, I will need to show you how to add funds to your Naizop account. To do that, click on Deposit. Choose from several payment options, including card, crypto, bank transfer, and more. For this example, if you select crypto and enter $100, you will receive an additional $9 bonus. After filling out your details and clicking Pay Securely, the funds will be added to your account instantly. After your account has been funded successfully, click on New Order. Once there, you'll see various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more. Select Spotify. Click on the drop-down. Several service options will appear. Scroll down till you find Spotify Premium Plays Global Listeners, Improve Ranking. Click on it. Copy and paste a link of the song you want to purchase Spotify streams for into the link box. In this case, it will be the song I showed you guys earlier. So I will copy and paste in there. Enter the quantity in here. I will be buying 1,000 Spotify streams for the song. The total cost came to around $4, which isn't expensive if you come to think of it. You can increase the quantity as needed. For example, 10,000 premium Spotify streams cost around $35. Click Order Now to complete the purchase. Within a couple minutes, the premium Spotify streams started appearing on the song. After some time, the order was fully delivered, and the song is now up by 1,000 premium Spotify streams. Now that's how to promote your songs with Naizop. If you want a chance to win free Spotify streams, comment the title of your song down below. You might be one of the lucky winners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.